Hi guys, it's Shell. So look, I'm in the Haven, but look at the mess. These are things we still need to go through and get out. So this is what we're doing today. A lot of this will go next door in the work shed. So like Clint's stuff like that. But look, we have heat. Can't see it because it's off because it's warm. But I looked online and it just said blow out the pilot thing, and it showed us how to do that, and it worked fine. So all we had to pay for was our propane, but I am going to call them this week and see if we can get a small propane tank that they can bring out and fill up. But it's really a good heater. It has, I mean, it's not hot. It's been on all morning. So I'm not too worried about catching fire or anything. And I do have, for safety, just in case, do have a carbon monoxide alarm. So we've never had any problems with this heater. My sister had this in here when they were sleeping and stuff. And we made sure they had a carbon monoxide. But they had this in here before it was even finished with the drywall and stuff. So pretty good. We have a lot of stuff that still needs to go upstairs. And Clint's working on the other shed that's next door to this one and cleaning that out so we can kind of store stuff over there too. So yeah, I wasn't going to show this part. But I have to live it, so, you know, I figured you guys can cry with me. It's not that bad. I mean, yeah, I guess from here all the way down to there is what we brought in because it was going to snow. So, and we got rid of a bunch of stuff. So, and then like his scooter will go next door. And we still haven't got a door, but that pile of mesh over there is the it's a magnetic screen door, so I can open that up for fresh air and I don't have to fight cats. So, and that's only like 25 bucks on Amazon, so I'm going to link that below so you guys can see it. So here I go. I'm going to head off working. I think it's about 11, I don't know what time it is, 10:30, 11 on Sunday. But yeah, we got a lot to get done. Okay guys, we have the screen up. I'm so excited. It's not perfect, but looks pretty good. I mean, Clint did a PVC pipe because we didn't have any wood right there. So as you can tell, we still need to clean up our yard. Still have a few more days before the next snow, and both of our trash cans are now full again. We always get two. So yeah, I'm pretty happy with it though. I think it looks really good. It has magnetic here, so you're supposed to be able to walk out and it will automatically close. And then it also has some Velcro tabs. Doesn't have them very far, so I'll probably put one down below for sure at the bottom, especially if, you know, the cats are bothering me and trying to get in and stuff. But I'm pretty happy with it. We've had some flies today, so, you know, hopefully that'll kind of keep the flies out. It's a fiberglass one, and hopefully it'll work pretty well. Like I said, it was pretty inexpensive. I emptied a couple of boxes. Clint got, well, he took a scooter, and which he had to in order for me to put up my screen. Sorry, just looking. And so he took his scooter out. We do have an extension cord because we don't have electric out here. And we got our, did I show you this part? We got our light done, and this light has something that actually attaches to it. The other one we kind of had to finagle and get it together. My desk is a mess, but I need to kind of clean it off so I can get tomorrow's video up for you guys. So yeah, we're getting there. But I think I only cleaned out one box 2 boxes. I don't know. I was trying to organize all my stuff again. So yeah, it's a big mess. But I know Kateri. Hi, Kateri. She's like, what are you doing in the shed? So I told her I wasn't going to do anymore, but I know she wants to see it, so may as well share it for all of you guys. So yeah, I'm excited to start working out here. So, okay, well, just wanted to show you, we got the screen up, and I'm hoping to get like French doors that will go there, and we kind of put the screen so that we don't have to take it down. And then if we get French doors, you know, we can just leave it exactly where it is. So that was my thought. So yeah, I'm pretty excited. So see you guys later.